Do you have allergies? Allergies are something that make you feel itchy, or maybe your eyes water, maybe you sneeze a lot. But we're going to read a story today that's going to help us understand allergies a little better.
Welcome to Miss CG's Reading Corner!
Hi my friends, I'm Miss CG, and welcome to Miss CG's Reading Corner, a place where we read books. Let's put on our hand binoculars and see who's here today. I see Emerson, and Zaire, and Gus, and Valentina, and Santana, and Nova, and all my other friends. Welcome, welcome! Today's book is I Think I'm Going to Sneeze, a first look at allergies by Pat Thomas, illustrated by Lesley, Harker. Your nose gets tingly, your eyes get watery, your throat gets scratchy, and your skin gets itchy. Sometimes it can feel like your body has gone crazy. Most people feel like this only when they get a cold. But if you have allergies, you might feel like this often. If you have an allergy to something, it can make you feel ill, even if it has no effect on anyone else. Achoo! An allergy gives you uncomfortable feelings or symptoms like itchy skin when your body thinks it has come into contact with something harmful. Allergies can be passed from parents to children, but not everyone reacts in the same way or to the same things. So even if your mom gets a runny nose when she's allergic to something, you might not. Instead, you might get watery eyes or a scratchy throat. What about you? Does anyone in your family have allergies? Do you know what they're allergic to? If you like the story so far, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Allergies can be caused by lots of different things. They can be caused by things in the air like dust or pollen from trees and grass. They can be caused by things you eat, like nuts, milk, or wheat in bread and cakes. Fish, shellfish, or the flavors in snack foods can also be causes of allergies. Allergies can be caused by touching or being near pets like cats and dogs. Birds can sometimes cause allergies too. You can also be allergic to insects such as dust mites and to bees or wasp stings. If you have an allergy, your body thinks that whatever is causing it is something bad, so it tries to fight back. Symptoms of an allergy, such as a sneeze or a cough, are the result of your body's fight with the cause of the allergy. When you first get an allergy, you may not know what's causing it. For some children, the symptoms can be so bad that they need to go to the hospital to get better. That can be really scary, but your family and your doctor will make sure you are safe and that you get well soon as possible. Your doctor can help by giving you some medicine to make the symptoms go away. He can also do special tests on your skin or your blood that can help find out what you're allergic to. Once you know what you're allergic to, you can learn how to avoid it. Your family, friends, and teachers will help you do this. And the good news is that as you get older, there is a chance your allergy will go away. For example, many children grow out of allergies to milk and wheat. Sometimes having an allergy means giving up things that you really like, and sometimes that can be frustrating and make you feel left out. But don't worry, with a little extra care, you can enjoy all the fun things that everyone else enjoys. I hope you enjoyed that book today, my friends. Till next time, keep learning and keep reading.